constitution say you choose obi President Kufuor or say what we won't copy the time as 1 year Guinea for the be 1 year by America's for the Mbrano and you know the time as and he is not contesting. So that means we as party must select one person to lead us into 2020.
Okay, good answer.
4. And now, who as to who will lead us? You know? Yes, I couldn't be at all. I couldn't be at all. Yes, your bra. Who can be the leader? Who qualifies? It's the no. We are near to the Hoswaba. We choose one person to lead us into 2024. But there's no way that a contest like selecting a flag bearer for this great party will come just like that. But you never for so kasa and see how all interested parties. We mate ayi Baumia, mate Alat, mate Akoto Agric Minister, mate Jogati, mate there are about 5 or 7 people.
Former energy minister.
Now or no more. We will know what to do and how to calm tempers and not to fuel any, because instead of so we are going to get the code of a year to we break here, we will crack the ship.
Okay.
We will not entertain because we are focused. I keep saying I don't care who leads us because we have the men, we have the people, any of them can. But my interest is breaking the 8. And to nipa who person do the best 7 coins me breaking 8, you know. At least let's set the record and pays no say and you will nipa the juice, you will nipa the far into there. We will deal with you. I know that I am solidly.
Okay, Chairman Omar Wadina in the trade in Komono. Now, I'll see break the 8 no, break 8 no, normal call, and that 3 term. Now, if so, I'll see, Oma, you ready? Oma, crowd pan say, or move break 8. Now, you share, I'll see, we have the men. Chairman Omar Wadina say, NPP, we have the men. Now, Nancy and MCs need DCs for His Excellency Nanado, Danko Kufado, nominati Omono, and who Samson Bebri Abba. Oko triponia oma kwa shi part of is mi sema hu hia oko tema central so e base wo oko odio akran so e base on chairman akwesa no you have the men no like guys say omu yesin then amud be omu asitwe be na wo omu
police for any be started daily. And we said we cautioned party people. Say, who could do be a China kofa sembiaba because your supporter did not win. Now said, police power. And they call us in the Pabolifo. Call us at Sumadifo. Call us what you can. But yet to me and try how share as in penny for. And my whole interest, I think I would interest Wayne and Mepe about now. Who they now penny there? Can you President Farmer? The President they not penny there. Who they open to President Farmer? No, all choosing the other end there on the end there. He shouldn't. He has no right. He has no choice. No, he has the power. He said the law says he should or no successful choose. Now, why do you attempt to say that? The no pen, the old pen one far mounty. Ogo shika, ogo shidai, ogo. When the law gets you, you call anybody. Thank God we have a new IGP who dares and fears nothing. Say, Duruha, who there? Who say, what's a ya? Koso. Na nipa na kokoma no, who could that prison wana obeka upa. we don't have to entertain things like that. We shouldn't entertain. And sometimes you even, for doing that, no, destroy the chance of the person you are supporting. And then sometimes, no, you have to obey me. The last time I called, and he still served the party. Assembly, he humbled himself. And today is his time. Of course, in Kasatan, on the course, and can never first birthday. The supporters really get the young player. In the same way, I keep, there's this man at OT, the regional minister.
Yeah.
Okopre, this is your farmer. Okopre, district, he was the regional secretary. Okopre district position be for instance, a NAMCO's never be sir. But he still stayed in the party, calmly and quietly wept. So the neighbor couldn't. So almost every polling station in OT, as secretary Oko. Today we won, and where is he? He's a regional minister.
Wow.
Who did the same kind of supporters? Because you compare this young family and come and can never flash Babadi. So for what you are doing, all you know, you are destroying somebody's career. And those who are encouraging and supporting, promoting, more organizing, more microphone, you don't know. There are several positions available. Now, could this happen anyway? Could touch racing in that's opportunity back. Assuming say Obia Wako organize American microphone, they will be organizing some party. No, who should get that position? A word to a wise is in the north.
Okay, Chairman, before you be down, the person who advise NDP delegates na seminar be catch almost some show we with the party and because a bit more no complain vividly. I say me department chair ya ma mehwe me nya hwe assembly na obekatro party members assembly.
I don't know me necrophobic as amo ye me nya hwe kan hwe sa na say. And I'll repeat it here. For the sake me a national officer. Board the crime and service with that. I'm still doing my work privately. Me rolling to time. My Benz, my shot MPP, I go huni na the nam kroma. A boy to boy me, and this to continue my day. I'm still here. Should I go and destroy the party and start speaking bad mouthing people? Because me nya position be other. There are people I brought from nowhere who are even MPs and ministers. Personally, I don't envy them. But as human as we are, we cannot satisfy ourselves, fulfill or obey the BMO. No. The little we can do, we do. But who could tell baby, for say, okay, who on the DC? Maybe decide their party don't go position. So party don't go position away when you're there. Me, I'm saying go position, me na me there. Be and cow boy, me a position, a power beam cry, and can be away position and get the mount. Sabe, I dream Bonneberg creates more tongue. Oh, dear bra, I choose a party now, bro. Do one because I future, bro. One guy's a man of that. Do you believe, say NDC for bar? I compare you say, on the $2 billion of Franco, here for my free SHS is too expensive for Ghana to handle. Or about it, so your composition now, that program will collapse. Umba, no, that's it. Unana, and was some of that. Now, don't focus and think and plan and support. I be allowed there. Because school free. Today we are even focusing, thinking of doing universities.
That's the technical universities.
No, free. I mean, not free, but we give you, now we are proposing a facility. We are nipa bi university now, Mabusu, we are go university there, Obi Kubi.
Okay.
And then you say, because you have not been chosen as a DCE, or because you were Jumana, we are not, and that's who pay Juma, Unya Yenti. Now, Unya, Nipa does, Nipa 2 Abama by MPP, about 5 and 5 and 5, almost 6 billion. TV serve you be within the first term or even the second term. Maybe yours is the third term. Maybe the end of the third term. Third term, no, who could do some phone or me and ma? Who could do something can be? Near maybe our year no, I'm my third term now. Do you believe is there? What boy one as what boy party and as what who benefit, who loses? Akufo-Addo, but the president 2024, when the president did, maybe I'm America. So 2008, Akufo-Addo win here. And 2012 was then we need 2016. You can then say our pressure. And a drew back also, but never be a CCNT. Yeah, to your boy fully and I got strong position. And I'm best say never in. Yet be by also, unless we had to struggle and come back to power. And we came to power. And then we are doing, talking, behaving as we did. Mobia. The longer NPP stays in power, the better it is for you and I, and for this country.